Investing in African stock markets. Have you ever wondered how to grow your wealth by investing in one of the world's most dynamic regions? African stock markets are rapidly evolving, offering opportunities for both locals and the diaspora. In this video, we'll walk through the basics of investing in African stocks, from how these markets work to practical steps you can take today. What are stock markets? A stock market is a marketplace where shares of publicly listed companies are bought and sold. When you purchase a share, you own a small piece of that company. If the company grows and performs well, your shares may increase in value, and you could also earn dividends. African stock markets operate on similar principles as global exchanges, but they each have unique characteristics shaped by local economies, regulations, and currency factors. Key African stock exchanges. Africa is home to several emerging and established exchanges, each offering diverse investment options. Here are a few notable ones. Nigerian Exchange Group, NGX, known for banks, consumer goods, and telecom companies. Johannesburg Stock Exchange, JSE, in South Africa, Africa's largest and most liquid exchange, hosting a range of international and local firms. Nairobi Securities Exchange, NSE, in Kenya, rapidly growing, with prominent companies in finance, agriculture, and tech. Each exchange has its own rules, listing requirements, and investor protections. Before you choose one, research the types of companies listed and how stable the local economy is. Why invest in African stocks? Investing in African equities can offer high growth potential. Many African markets are considered frontier or emerging, which can bring the possibility of stronger returns, although there's also higher risk. Diversification. Adding African stocks to a global portfolio spreads your risk across different economic regions. Local impact. Your investment can support domestic companies, boosting employment and growth in the region. However, it's important to remain aware of potential volatility, currency fluctuations, and political factors that can influence stock prices. Steps to get started. If you've decided to explore African stock markets, here's a simple roadmap. Choose a brokerage. You can open an account with a local brokerage in the target country or opt for an international platform that provides access to African exchanges. Verify trading fees, account minimums, and customer support options. Complete due diligence. Thoroughly research the companies you find interesting. Look at balance sheets, revenue trends, and industry outlook. Read news articles and annual reports if they're available online. Consider exchange-traded funds, ETFs. If you prefer a more diversified approach, look for ETFs tracking African indexes. This lets you spread your investment across multiple companies with a single purchase. Plan your budget and time horizon. Decide how much you can invest and for how long. African markets can be more volatile, so a long-term perspective often works best. Monitor and adjust. Keep track of macroeconomic events, currency trends, and company updates. If a company's fundamentals change, consider whether to hold, buy more, or sell. Risk management. Like any investment, African stocks come with risks. Here are key points to consider. Currency risks. Shifts in exchange rates can affect the value of your investments if you're investing from abroad. Political and regulatory landscape. Changes in government policies, taxes, or regulations can impact market stability. Volatility. Prices can fluctuate sharply due to local economic news or global market sentiment. A well-balanced portfolio, combined with ongoing research, helps mitigate these uncertainties. Investing in African stock markets can be an exciting way to diversify your portfolio and support the continent's economic growth. Whether you're living in Africa or part of the diaspora, modern technology makes it easier than ever to open a brokerage account, buy shares, and stay informed. If you found this guide useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights on investing and personal finance. And remember, Always do your own research or speak with a financial advisor before making final decisions. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a licensed professional before investing.